You searched how to disable protected view in Microsoft PowerPoint. Open PowerPoint on your computer now. Once the start screen appears, click File in the top left corner. That switches you to the Backstage view with a menu down the left side. At the bottom of that menu, click Options. The PowerPoint Options dialog box opens with a list of tabs on the left. If you don't see it right away, give it a second. This dialog loads a little slower on older machines. Now click Trust Center, near the bottom of that left list. The right panel changes to a summary of security and privacy settings. Look for the button on the right that says Trust Center Settings and click it. A smaller Trust Center window opens with its own menu on the left. In that menu, click Protected View. On the right, you'll see 3 checkboxes. If your version only shows 2, that's normal on older Office builds. The first is Enable Protected View for files originating from the internet. The second is Enable Protected View for files located in potentially unsafe locations. The third is Enable Protected View for Outlook attachments. I leave that third one alone because emailed files are exactly where I want an extra check. If you want it fully disabled, uncheck all 3. Go ahead and uncheck the ones you need. Most people only need to uncheck that first internet box. I also uncheck the second one on my own machine because I open a lot of presentations from a network drive. When you click a box, the check mark disappears. If your files come from shared folders, uncheck the second one too. Just know this is a security feature. With these off, PowerPoint opens those files straight into editing mode and skips the yellow protected view bar. Don't do that on a shared machine. Once you've made your changes, click OK in the Trust Center window. That closes the small window and returns you to PowerPoint options. Click OK there too. The dialog closes and you're back at the presentation. Close PowerPoint completely and open it again. When you open a downloaded file now, it should go straight into normal editing. Now that it's off, check your auto recover settings because files from risky locations are often the ones that crash or corrupt. Click File, then Options, then Save. Look at the Auto Recover File Location field and make sure it points to a folder you can actually find. If you only want to bypass protected view for one file instead of changing the global setting, open that file, click File, then Info, and click Enable Editing in the yellow bar. To put the protection back later, go back through File, Options, Trust Center Settings, Protected View, and recheck the boxes. If this fixed your PowerPoint, hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes like this. And leave a comment saying this was helpful because comments push this to other people looking for the same thing.